Hey guys, so here we are, man. Home Depot, looking at the gear wrench toolbox. It's not bad. The steel's a little bit thin, but they want $280 for it. Let me get you a better picture here. Up and down. Yep. Got a nice little lock on the bottom end. See if I can get this little lock right there. Things like that. I'm not sure. Yeah, because you have roller bearings. They're kind of small. They're not as good as a Craftsman. Kind of clunks, but then it does lock in place until you hit that lock. It pulls out. It ain't half bad. For the price, can't really beat it. I didn't know Gear Wrench had these, but apparently Home Depot sells them. Just to let you guys know, there's the part number and the price on it. That's for the 4-drawer. I'm assuming that's for the top. Maybe the bottom's a little bit more. I don't know. They don't actually have prices on the bottom part. There it is. $409. $409 for the bottom, and then $280 for the top. It's a little bit pricey for a gear wrench, but it's not a bad box. Seen better, but seen worse. All right, guys. See you later.